Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. We had really beautiful weather in this week, but I was not available to shoot thunderstorms as many of my colleagues have done that, and they have taken really impressive images. I was just checking social media this morning and I saw that there were so beautiful pictures. I think the light has changed and this is the time I need to take pictures. So we'll talk to you later. Hey, welcome back to the channel. We had really beautiful weather in this week, and there was thunderstorm last night and a day before yesterday, and my colleagues have taken really impressive images, but unfortunately I was not available the whole week and I couldn't get any picture of the thunderstorm. The light is changed. Okay, I think it will stay. Yeah. So today I am here in Maleha desert, very close to Sharjah, and there's some beautiful trees in front of me. The formation of those trees and some shadows and dunes and stuff like that. The scene is really interesting to shoot. But today actually I left from home to take pictures of the thunderstorm, but I couldn't catch it, and it was for only 10-15 minutes, which I missed. But yes, I can see some really great scenery in front of me, so trying to take good pictures. This is all the landscape photography is like. Sometimes you don't get a chance to shoot, sometimes you don't get good perfect conditions to shoot, and this is my experience of last 10 years. I hope that I will be ending this video with a really good picture.